Welcome. Have you ever tried adding a video to your Shopify store? Then this video is for you. See how these big brands have added videos with autoplay feature with loop feature. Like the video plays in the background, it is autoplaying, it's playing in the loop, and it is mute, or we can also unmute it. It has a pretty good heading added over here and buttons just like this. We can add this type of video at any part of the Shopify store. So to add this type of video, just follow me through the end of the video and you will get a free section. I have personally custom coded it and I will let you know the method how you can add all this type of video to your Shopify website. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first thing first, what we have to do is we have to go to the Shopify admin. This is the home page, and once you are on the home page, what you have to do, you have to click on the online store, and then you have to click on this themes. Once it get reload, you have to scroll down and then we have to click on these three buttons. Make sure that you have duplicated your theme because working on the coding file might hurt your theme or break your theme structure. So make sure you have duplicated your theme. So click on this duplicate button. The theme copy has been added over here. Then we have to click over here and then we have to click on this edit theme. I will let you know that I'm using the tone theme. You can use any theme. If you have any of the theme, this file will work on all the themes. Okay, so let me click on this edit code. Once edit code is clicked, it will opens my theme coding file. Okay, so theme coding file has been opened. Okay, once we are on it, click on this section, right click on it, and then we have to click on this new file. We have to name our file, so I am writing that ecom ranks video dot liquid. This extension is imported or compulsory. You can name anything on this part. Okay, so for the demonstration purpose, I have written it like ecom ranks video dot liquid and hit the enter button. Once it's get added, did you see that it's get added over here? We have to go to this document. It's a Google file. I will leave the link within the description so that you can just copy it. I have just copied all this code. This is quite a lot of code. I have written it only for you, so please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, so let me go back to the here and hit the paste it over here. Once it gets pasted, I have to hit this save button. Okay, so our file it gets saved. We have to go back to Shopify admin, just reload it. After getting reload, we have to click on this edit theme button, and then where you want to add the video part, just move to that section and click on this add section. Click on it and let me add the video. So this is the video that I have added. Simply click on it. Once clicked, the video section has been added just below this featured collection. So what I have to do is we have to paste the link for the video URL over here. So let me go back to just Shopify admin. Then we have to click on this content section and then we have to click on this file section. Okay, for the demonstration purpose, I am just adding one of my video. Okay, so this is the video. I'm just copying its link and I have to go over here and then paste the link, URL link over here. Okay, so link has been pasted and here do you see the video has been added. It has all the features like we are here, we are able to add the poster. So just let me click on it and check. Okay, so the poster has been added. We are, let me remove it for now. Just remove it. And for the mobile video, we are able to add mobile video separately. Like most of the peoples have a video with vertical dimensions. On desktop, horizontal dimensions work. So on mobile, we should have an option for a separate video, and I have custom coded it. And from here, we are able to add the dimensions, mobile aspect ratio, just like this, a vertical video or a vertical video, a landscape, or a standard video. For this, we have to add a separate video link over here. Let me explain it to you. Just go back to the content section. This is another video. Let me copy it and I have to paste it over here for mobile version. Okay, do you see a separate video for a mobile has been added, and on desktop it's another video. Going back to the mobile version, and from here we are able to set the vertical reel style, or we have to autoplay it. If you want to autoplay the video on the mobile, simply click on it and it will start autoplaying the video. Okay, let me switch back to the desktop version. This is a desktop version, and if I scroll down, there are all the options. And if I want to set its full width, there is an option for the full width. The video is now full width, and from here we are able to set the aspect ratio according to the desktop. Okay, so there are penalty of other things that, like this is an option for autoplay on desktop, and this is an option for the loop video. Like the video will start looping once it gets added, and when it gets finished, it will loop again. It gets finished and it will get loop again. So this is a quite interesting feature, and from here we are able to hide this play controls. Like if I disable it, it will hide the play controls, like play button or the volume up down button, all will be get hidden. Okay, so from here we are able to add the time, like from where we want to start the video, where we want to end the video. And if I scroll down, there is an option for the section heading. So if I scroll up, there it is added. So let me remove it. If you don't want to add it, there is an option for alignment. This is a quite simple, and this is another thing which is called video overlay. Let me enable it. By enabling it, we are able to add a overlay just like this one. Let me just copy it for the demonstration purpose. Gymshark Conditioning Club. I have to go back over here and simply add it over here. Gymshark Conditioning Club. So a beautiful overlay heading has been added. From here we are able to adjust its size, and there is an option to add a subheading just like this, Gymshark, to this part. Okay, we are able to adjust its sizing, color, its alignments. All is pretty easy and quite simple. So here we are also able to add the button and its link over here. So I'm simply adding a blank link just for the demonstration purpose. So do you see a button added, a heading added, overlay heading added, and all the things can be customizable from this section. So if you need any other help, just message me on Fiverr or just reach me out on my email and I will help you out. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.